Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the screen lock in this device. So in this device you can see till now I didn't set any screen lock, just swipe up, it is unlocked. Now I will show you how to set up the screen lock in this device. For this, go to settings, then tap on the security and privacy, then scroll down, tap on device unlock. So here you can see the option screen lock, tap on this one. So to set up the screen lock in this device you can select any one from here, numeric, alphanumeric, pattern. So here I am going to select the option pattern. So to create a pattern we need to connect at least 4 dots. Okay, here you can see connect at least 4 dots, tap on continue. So here we need to draw the pattern, again confirm the pattern. So in case if you want to set up the fingerprint unlock you can enable it, otherwise cancel it. Now I'll show you how to use this one. Lock the device, try to open, you can see they're asking for the screen lock, draw the pattern, it is unlocked. Again draw the pattern, it is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set up the screen lock in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.